Hello everybody, tonight we make another easy dish. I was making this dish a long time ago, but we want to do something different. We gotta make spaghetti with a fresh tomato. Look how beautiful, nice tomato we got over here. Now, this recipe, like I say, we was a long time, and we do something different tonight. We got spaghetti with a small tomato, and I got a mozzarella, a basil, and I need the pecorino cheese. I got the water already boiled. It's time to pour the spaghetti. The spaghetti gotta cook for 9 minutes. Okay, now the pasta boil, and I want to start with the tomato. Now this tomato, gotta be cooked. This gotta be everything raw. The tomato, the basil, everything gotta be raw on this dish. Now we split this tomato in half like this. Look how beautiful it looks inside. And now all this you gotta be cut. I cut the rest. Look at this tomato, are nice juicy. If you want to see more juicy, you do like this. And nice crunchy. It's really nice. Okay, now we start with the pecorino cheese. And I put this right over here. And the rest, if I need more, I can use more. Now I gotta pick up a little water for the pasta, because I want to mix this. We put water over here. It's 1 cup, but this, we see how many I gotta use. Okay. Now we put the water over here. We make it like cream. Not too liquid and not too thick. Okay, now the pasta is done. Turn the gas off. And let's drain this spaghetti. Okay, now the pasta go right on this dish, and we give a nice mix. Got a lot of pecorino cheese on a bottle. Oh, the smell. Okay, now we put the tomato. Look how beautiful. It's a nice dish. And the basil. The basil, make sure to not cut it with a knife. Okay, you cut it with a knife, it's lose all the juice of the basil. Okay, now we give a nice turn with the tomato, everything. Okay, now it's the time of the little mozzarella. Look how nice. All right? Okay, now let me taste this nice spaghetti over here with all this stuff. This dish, I told you the truth, I can eat by myself. Plus, I like to put a little bit more pecorino cheese on the top. Look at that. It's the time of the spaghetti. The pecorino, when you turn with the water, the pasta water, it comes with the taste really, really good. I hope somebody make this dish, and I want to know, say you like or not. Make sure to let me know, okay? Thank you very much, everybody. And I'll see you next recipe. Okay, look at this. Really good. Thank you.